Greetings to all. Welcome back to my channel, My Kitchen, My Space. Big thank you to all my supporters. As you can see by the title, I am making crispy, delicious fried chicken. Sister J's way, Sister J's version, and Sister J's style.
Jay, them say it tastes nice every time when you cook all my finger, my bite. Food delicious, me have to do it every time. Share with my friend them, comment, like. Sister J, real top chef that a fuck. Chop, 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 chop. Chop the potato, chop the carrot. What leap of spice of it there in the pot. Sister J, she no play to the world where we say when not time to cook, she no delay. Me swear.
After washing chicken with vinegar and lemon, I season it with all these seasoning listed on the left, and I have it marinated overnight. So now that my chicken is well marinated, it's time to do some French fried chicken. Here I have the skillet on the fire, and I'm pouring some oil in it. Okay, so here I have some ginger, garlic, and thyme. And I have some wing breading from Hooters. So I have some of the breading in a Ziploc bag. I'm just gonna add some mixed seasoning and some black pepper to that and shake it up. Here I have the thyme, ginger, and the garlic. I'm just gonna fry this in the oil and then remove them, because all I want is that oil to get seasoned with my ginger and garlic and thyme. So I'm removing them. So here I'm putting the seasoned chicken inside of the breading mixture. And I'm just gonna shake it all up. If you're here for the first time and you're not yet connected with me, go ahead and hit that red subscription button and put that post notification bell on so you can be notified of future upload. Thank you so much in advance. So here I'm putting some of the chicken in the oil, and I'm just gonna fry these for 12 minutes on one side and then flip. I want my chicken to be well done but not burnt. So now I'm turning them after 12 minutes. Looking nice, smelling lovely inside here, guys. So here I'm testing to make sure my chicken is well done before I remove them from the pot. So this set is ready. So I'm going to remove, and I'm adding another set. Yes, guys, so this is what the first set looks like. It looks good and it smells good. Oh yes, it tastes good too. Yes, guys, I love my fried chicken, so I'm testing the other sets to make sure they're well done before moving them from the pot. And there you have it. My crispy fried chicken is ready. Looking delicious. I thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, and comment. And if you haven't yet subscribed, what are you waiting on? Take care of yourself and loved ones. Be safe. Eat good, live good, walk good, pray good. One love. Yeah, man. Bless up yourself. Please subscribe for more.